Welcome to our IELTS video series. If you're looking for expert advice on how to boost your English language skills and ace the IELTS exam, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will focus on IELTS listening exam, and in my future videos, I will be coming up with tips on other sections. So if you are an IELTS student, you have landed on the right channel. So don't forget to subscribe. Now, talking about the listening section, which is a critical part of IELTS exam, it can be challenging if you're not prepared. So in this video, I'm going to share top 10 tips that will help you to succeed on your test day. So let's get started. So starting with the first tip, which is focus on instructions. Before the recording begins, listen carefully to the instructions and make sure you understand what you need to do. मतलब कि रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू होने से पहले आपको इंस्ट्रक्शंस पढ़ लेनी है ध्यान से, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपको आगे करना क्या है. Okay? Then second is practice active listening. By listening actively, engage with the recording by taking notes. बच्चे notes नहीं लेते हैं. You need to do that. Students don't take notes. You need to do that, which is very important. And underlining key points in trying to anticipate what information will come next is important. Now, third is pay attention to the format. Listening section may include different types of questions. Format यानी कि अलग-अलग type के questions हैं, like multiple choice questions, matching questions, sentence completion. ऐसे बहुत सारी categories of questions रहते हैं. So make sure you understand the format of each question type. Okay? Then you need to be aware of distractors, which is the fourth instruction. Be aware of distractors. That means recording may include information that is designed to distract you from the correct answer. मतलब ऐसी कोई information आपको दी गई होगी जिसकी जरूरत नहीं थी, but वो बोल दी गई है ताकि आप distract हो जाएं. तो उसमें आपको काफी cautious रहना है. Stay focused and avoid getting misled by distractors. Now, fifth is check your spelling in some question types. Very, very important. Specifically, if I talk about sentence completion, you will need to spell out your answers and double check your answers, because if you haven't checked your answers and spellings, that can, have a failure in your score as well. So do not lose your score just by writing wrong spelling. Next is manage your time. Seventh is manage your time. You will only have one chance to listen. So don't think कि आप multiple times उसको play कर सकते हैं. You will only have one chance to listen to the recording. So make sure you manage your time effectively to complete the questions within the given time limit. And stay calm. Move on to the next question just in case अगर आपका question रह गया है, it's okay. Stay calm and move on to the next question and focus on doing your best on the remaining questions instead of being stuck on the previous question itself. Okay? And ninth is practice with authentic materials. Practice listening to a variety of authentic material, like you can do for news, you can go for broadcast. आजकल podcast इतने हैं, तो podcast you can listen. So if you listen to all these stuff, that can have a good listening skill. That can help you develop a good listening skill. Then get feedback. After practicing, get feedback from a teacher or tutor to identify areas where you need improvement, so that you can develop a strategy accordingly to overcome your weaknesses. So this is very important. So these were some of the major tips that I would like to share with you, so that you need to follow. You can follow for your IELTS listening. Okay, that's really, really important. Overall, the key to success here is to practice regularly and develop good listening skills. I will be coming up with tips on rest of the sections. I hope you found this video quite helpful. If you have any question or suggestion for future videos, please leave your comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Thank you.